Uh, Good afternoon, Sir August. I'm your reporter number 1. A tourist is using a simplified map of LRT light rail transit line of Metro Manila. The map has scale of 1 ratio 150,000 is the measured distance between the Baclaran station and the Bloomingdale on the map is 12 centimeter. What is the actual distance? The given is scale 1 ratio 150,000 and distance is 12 cm. 12 cm times 150,000 equals 1,800,000 centimeters and 1,800,000 nakuha natin to is 100 centimeter is equivalent 1 meter, kaya divide it 18,000 meters. Then nakuha ulit natin to is 1 meter is equivalent 1 km, kaya we divide it in 18 kilometers. That's number 2 is an Architect is reviewing the TCP transfer certificate of title European for the residential in Quezon City. Kilometer na sa scale of 1:200. The front is boundary street side measure 15 cm on the blueprint and deep side measure 20 cm. What is the actual area of the rectangle lot in the square meters? A common lot is the given scale is 1:200 and length is 15 cm and width is 20 cm and substitute 15 cm times 200 equals 300 cm. Then we convert it again in meters. 3,000 cm divide 100 is 30 cm. Then again 20 cm times 200 equals 4,000. Convert again 4,000 cm divide 100 40, and we times in 30 meters times 40 meters is 1,200 meters square. That's all. Thank you.